Hello and welcome to our review of the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum, a powerful cleaning solution with 2,200 Pascal suction and a 120-minute runtime, perfect for families with pets and hard floors. This third-generation model boasts enhanced suction power, longer-lasting batteries, and quieter operation, making it ideal for picking up debris, pet hair, and trash, even in those hard-to-reach corners. With its compact 2.99-inch height, the M210 Pro easily fits under furniture, and its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your pets or your favorite TV show. The vacuum offers 6 versatile cleaning modes, including zigzag, random, fixed point, wall, time, and manual control, all accessible through the Lefant App, Alexa, or Google Assistant, thanks to its expanded Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. The app also allows you to monitor the cleaning path, schedule cleaning plans, and adjust suction levels, all while supporting 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Equipped with anti-collision and anti-drop sensors, the M210 Pro navigates your home with ease, and with 2 side brushes, it covers a larger area despite its smaller size. Finally, enjoy the convenience of auto recharging, as the vacuum returns to its charging base automatically after up to 120 minutes of cleaning, ensuring it's always ready for the next task.